What's going on, guys? Storm Chaser Hunter Smith here. We are near Marionville, Missouri right now. Big time winds coming in here on a severe warm thunderstorm. Intense wind here. Holy cow. This stuff is crazy. Oh, looks like somebody's lawn chair blew across the road here. Right there. Now we had some really intense winds there for a minute. Looks like we're going to be dealing with a pretty heavy rain report. Here it goes. We got some strong winds blowing here, guys. Big time winds. Wow. Too hard to see, then we will. Wow, this is crazy. Strong winds, heavy rain. Right into the core of it, guys. Gonna pull over. Gonna pull over. Looks like a trash cart has blew over towards the edge of the road there. Things happening right now is an outflow boundary out ahead of some of the storms that were over towards like Miller, Missouri is actually passing over us right now. Sometimes when those things pass over us, we get some gusty winds behind that. And that is exactly what's fixing to get ready to happen here. Gusty winds coming along with that outflow boundary. Back to the right here, I'm going to show you this outflow boundary. So right there is that outflow boundary that's passed over us here.